I'm Rob Mineta.
And I'm Mark Sacco, and we're the Patient Whisperers.
We're both seasoned paramedics and clinical hypnotists. Together we have over 40 years of experience dealing with high-stress situations in emergency medicine.
We've developed VerbalSWAT, special words and tactics, for first responders to use in those environments of stress.
We've changed the words we use to positively affect perceptions and outcomes for our patients, and refined covert hypnosis techniques to de-escalate tense situations when in crisis.
So if you want to learn how to tap into this growing educational market of police, fire, and EMS, then come see us at 1 p.m. Friday, August 10th, 2018 at the NGH Convention.
And also don't forget to visit our websites at www.patientwhisperers.com or www.verbalswat.com.